simplest fastenings you'll do for a friendship bracelet is one with a braided tie-on at each end. So you want to take your fastenings in each hand, so you'll have one in your left and one in your right. You want to take the one in the right hand and put it over the top of the one in the left, and then under and through. And then you want to take the one that's now in the left and go over the top of the one on the right and put it under and through. And then you just want to ease it close like that, and it gives you a nice neat knot. So probably one of the most frequently asked questions I get is, why are your knots tidy and mine aren't? So I'm going to demonstrate with this one why yours might not be tidy. So you go again like you did in the beginning, taking the right hand over the left, but then instead of working the left over the right, you again take the right hand over the left and tie your knot and complete. And you end up with something that looks like this. So instead of the neat knot that I've got there, that just lays flat against the cords either side, you have something that looks like this.